How to install VMware Fusion on Mac M2, MacBook Pro, and Mac Intel. In this video, I'll show you how to install VMware Fusion on MacBook 2, MacBook Pro, and Intel-based Macs.
So to get started, VMware Fusion lets you run Windows or Linux inside your Mac, but the installation differs slightly depending on your Mac's chip, Intel or Apple Silicon, M1 or M2. First, go to VMware's official site and download the correct version. For Intel Macs, download VMware Fusion 13 for Intel. For M1 or M2, choose the tech preview for Apple Silicon. Still in beta, but still works well. Or you may also go to techspot.com and then search for the VMware Fusion for Mac OS. Now, all you have to do once you're in this site, just click on it, download now, or you can download several versions if you want to. After that, once it's downloaded, just hit on this download icon right here and then select the file that you have downloaded. Once downloaded, open the DMG file and drag VMware Fusion into Applications. Open the app and allow any security permissions and settings. For example, click on this open right here once you try to open it and then allow any permissions in privacy and security. Just click on or drag this VMware Fusion right here and then click Save Changes. For Intel Macs, you can directly install Mac ISO files, and on M1 or M2 Macs, you'll need the ARM version of Windows, which you can get from Microsoft Insider Preview. Follow the on-screen setup, configure RAM or CPU settings, and you're ready to run another OS. And that's how you install VMware Fusion on Mac M2, MacBook Pro, and Mac Intel.